Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to be putting an AEM wideband and a TurboSmart in my car. I went with the gauge pod made by AutoMeter. It is designed for S14, so it's gonna have like almost near perfect fitment. And it was recommended by Uncle Tong because he's running the same one.
You don't want that to come on. The only time it should come on is when you're ready. Keep shine on. Nice. Because if you do that, it go pay. Yeah, it go drop paint or go pay test something. Como taru no, it keeps heating that up. It heats up the O2 sensor. It'll O2 sensor.
Oh, okay. Well, that's it for today, and the next thing I need to do is add a rollable fuel pump because my AEM fuel pump is not supporting what I have in the car right now, and it's running a little bit lean, so we want to go ahead and get that fixed. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you Uncle Tong and Sai for coming in and helping me put those gauges in the car. Until next time, guys.